You were not designed to be anxious. You were not designed to be addicted. You were not designed to feel empty. And the Bible reveals what you were before everything broke. This is the original design of man, and almost nobody talks about it. What if I told you that most of what you struggle with today is not because you are weak, but because you're living outside your original design? The Bible doesn't start with rules, it starts with design. And hidden in Genesis is a truth so powerful that it explains anxiety, burnout, identity crisis, and why modern life feels so raw. Today, we're uncovering the original design of man before sin, before fear, and before death. Section number 1. Man was designed before sin. Genesis 1:26 says, "Let us make man in our own image, according to our likeness." Pause right there. Before man was sinner, before man was a worker, before man was a worshipper, man was an image bearer. That means man was designed to reflect God, not to chase validation, not to prove worth, not to compete. Your value was built in, not earned. Hidden truth: identity came before responsibility. Modern life reverses this. You work to be valuable. God designed you valuable before work. Section number 2. Man was designed for relationship, not isolation. Genesis 2:7 says, "God formed man from dust and breathed into him the breath of life." This is intimate, personal, slow. Man didn't came from noise. Man came from presence. And then God says something shocking. "It is not good that man should be alone." This was before sin entered the world. Hidden truth: loneliness is not a modern problem. It's a design issue. Man was designed for connection with God, connection with others, connection with creation. Isolation is not strength. Silence with God is not weakness. Community was part of the blueprint. Section number 3. Man was designed to rule, not to be ruled. Genesis chapter 1 verse 28 says, "Have dominion." This doesn't mean dominion, it means stewardship. Man was designed to govern creation, bring order, not chaos, cultivate, not consume. Hidden truth: man was never designed to be ruled by impulses, not by lust, not by fear, not by addiction, not by algorithms. You were designed to rule over your environment, not be controlled by it. Sin flipped that order. Now creation rules man. Screens rule attention. Emotions rule decisions. Urgency rules life. But that was never the design. Section number 4. Man was designed for rest before work. This is one of the most overlooked designs in all of Scripture. When God created man, He didn't begin with labor. He didn't hand Adam a tool first. He didn't give him an assignment first. Man's first full day alive was not a work day. It was the Sabbath. Before Adam ever tilled the ground, before he named the animals, before responsibility, productivity, or purpose, he rested. That means Adam experienced God before he ever did anything for God. Let that sink in. That reveals a hidden truth most people missed. Rest was not a reward for obedience. It was the foundation of identity. Adam didn't rest because he worked. He worked because he had already rested in God's presence. God was silently teaching humanity something profound. You don't work to belong. You work because you belong. Adam's worth was not proven by output. His value was not measured by productivity. His identity was sealed before effort ever began. But modern culture was completely reversed this order. It says hustle to matter, grind to be worthy, burn out to succeed. So we wake up exhausted, chasing validation through performances, trying to earn rest instead of living from it. But God's original design says rest establishes identity, work flows from wholeness, fruitfulness comes from fullness. When rest is removed from the foundation, work becomes slavery. When identity is tied to output, exhaustion is inevitable. This is why burnout is everywhere. This is why people are tired even after sleeping. This is why success feels empty. We weren't designed to produce first. We were designed to abide first. And until we return to that order, rest before work, we will keep living against the grain of our Creator. Section number 5. What broke the design? Sin didn't just break rules, it broke alignment. Man stopped trusting God's definition of good and chose his own. The result? Fear replaced peace, shame replaced confidence, survival replaced purpose. Sin is not just rebellion, it's misalignment with design. Like using a phone underwater. It wasn't designed for that, and neither were you designed for constant pressure, endless comparison, spiritual disconnection. Maybe you are not broken. Maybe you're just misaligned. Maybe the peace you're looking for isn't something new. It's something ancient. The original design of man was never meant to fail, and the Bible didn't hide it. We just stopped looking.